Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Collective Investment Trust as a CIT. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Collective Investment Trust, this video is tailor-made for you. It's going to be a really quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. Now, you could choose to log in on the online website, or you could choose to log in through the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you're going to click on CIT. And there you're going to initiate the CIT setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's including investment goals and such. And next, you're going to choose the CIT options, and then go over the details again to confirm that they are correct. And once that's set up, you can monitor the CIT activity right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Collective Investment Trust. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next